my beer.
Hey, take the shirt off.
Take the shirt off.
You gotta get it.
Take it off, that thing.
Wait a minute. Get the beer. You gotta sit your beer down for this stuff. Hey, James, I need my beer.
Take it off, that thing.
All right. What?
Oh, shit.
All right, put it back on. Put it back on.
God, he's tasty.
Oh, no. Leave the shorts on. Please. Leave the shorts on.
Socks? Socks?
He needs the bath. This is funny shit.
Thank you, honey.
Your sunglasses are still over there, but I'll
You
watch
blame
them.
Bill
Okay.
Gates.
Get between the whatsits.
It's only
Worth every bit of that $20 now, ain't it?
That's what you need, Steve.
Oh no! I can take my shirt off
Why can't you take your shirt off?
because of my bag.
Oh.
I can't
forgot.
swim
I'm
no
sorry.
more. I
I'm
can't
pissed
swim
off
no
now. I
more.
just got my bike
That doesn't mean you
washed.
can't
I'm
come
really
up and sit by the
pissed.
pool and enjoy it.
All right.
Oh, go Leslie!
I'm pretty sure there's shit going on the other side of this camera I don't want to see. Well, that'll get rid of any Woody, right?
You can put it on YouTube to make some money.
Hey, Kevin,
Videoing it.
please
Yeah.
try to blackmail you.
Look, everybody's coming over here to watch.